Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your laundry cycle to start later or finish at a more convenient time, the timer feature on an LG washing machine can be incredibly useful. Whether you're planning around your daily schedule or trying to take advantage of off-peak electricity hours, setting the timer allows the LG washing machine to operate automatically according to your preferences. Fortunately, you don't need any special knowledge to use this feature. With just a few simple adjustments, you can schedule your wash cycle with ease. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you set the timer on your LG washing machine correctly. Try these. Step 1. Load the clothes and detergent into the LG washing machine as usual. Step 2. Turn on the LG washing machine and choose the desired wash program. Step 3. Locate the timer or delay start option on the LG washing machine control panel. Step 4. Adjust the timer setting on the LG washing machine to your preferred start time. Step 5. Press the start button on the LG washing machine to confirm the timer selection. Step 6. Verify that the LG washing machine displays the selected time.